Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and safety interlocks so the system can run. You check the battery voltage, clean terminals, and then test kill switch and side stand cutout. These stop auto start if open. Once done, remove the seat, unplug and reseat ECU connectors and main harness to clear poor contacts. You also open the airbox and visually inspect the spark plug and fuel flow. Make sure basic failures are resolved before moving to diagnostics and adjustments. You now focus on pinpointing the cause using diagnostics. Use an OBD reader or a multimeter to read ECU codes and check for sensor pulses. This tells you if TPS, coolant, or neutral switches fail. Once done, measure throttle position and idle control response while cranking. Adjust the idle screw and sync throttle if required. You inspect injector spray and ignition timing. Replace components showing out-of-spec readings. Make sure wiring grounds are solid to avoid intermittent auto-start failure. You finish by reassembling and verifying each correction. Reconnect everything, tighten connectors and fasteners to spec, then perform a controlled start sequence while monitoring lights, revs, and any error codes. Once done, ride briefly to let ECU relearn idle and fuel trims. If the auto start still fails, isolate by swapping one suspect module at a time, for example ECU or starter relay, and rerun diagnostics. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, wiggle test harnesses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.